this is what real life looks like. I was in jeans before, and then I was like, oh, let me get cozy. No. They need fresh water, they need to eat. We got somewhere to go later. And so, it's got to be done.
Come on, guys.
Hey, guys. Okay, so maybe they'll go in there now. Feed is done.